In the following video, I will demonstrate how to deactivate Shopify Payments. First of all, log in Shopify account and then click on Settings. Then look for Payments. Then in the Shopify Payments section, click on Manage. Then scroll all the way to the bottom and select Deactivate Shopify Payments. Now you're presented with a screen which essentially tells you that once you proceed with deactivation, you will not be able to process credit cards and more through Shopify Payments Gateway. Once you agree to that, simply select the reason, and in my case, I'll select Other, and let's type Test. And let's proceed with deactivation. As you can see, Shopify Payments has been deactivated, and if I wish to start using Shopify Payments once again, I'll have to proceed with the whole activation process one more time and fill out all the necessary information. So I hope you found this tip useful, and for more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.